Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings to change the keyboard language. First, open Settings and go directly to System and Updates or System. This groups language and input controls. Once there, choose Languages and Input so you can manage both device language and keyboard options. Tap Languages to view existing entries, then press Add a language to include the new locale. Make sure to pick the exact variant you need. This avoids unexpected layouts later. You're ready to configure the keyboard next. Once you've added the language, you must tell the keyboard app to use it. Tap Default Keyboard or On-Screen Keyboard, then select your keyboard app such as Gboard or Huawei Keyboard. Inside the app settings, choose Languages or Input Languages and enable the newly added language. Some keyboards require you to download a language pack. Also confirm which layout you prefer, for example QWERTY or AZERTY, and enable prediction for that language. After saving, the keyboard will recognize the change across apps. To use the new language, open a text field and either tap the globe or long press the spacebar to switch. Some keyboards use an on-key icon. Try both. Once done, test typing to confirm layout and suggestions match your selection. If the language doesn't appear, make sure the keyboard app lists it and any language pack is downloaded. If necessary, re-enable the language in settings. As a final troubleshooting tip, reboot the pad or update the keyboard app to resolve stubborn sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.